everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Today, we're going to talk about an item that I think everyone can use. If you're like most people, you own a desk, and somewhere on that desk is a lamp. If not, there should be. Let's show you why. So, when I first got the Taotronics lamp, I posted a picture of it on Twitter, and among the very first comments was someone who said, "That LED light is sexy." So, can a lamp be sexy? Let's find out. Welcome to Stupid Bullets Tech. TAO, the first three letters of Taotronics, is correctly pronounced Tao. And while there are many definitions to this word, the simplest literally means the path, the way, or sometimes the flow. Taotronics has made great use of this wordplay in their company name, but perhaps no better example exists in their lineup than this desk lamp. It has shown me the path to many options that I did not even realize I needed when it first arrived. Full disclosure, I like this lamp very much, and while it has all of the features and more that we've come to expect from modern desk peripherals, it has a couple of hidden features, little tricks that might be very useful to content creators, streamers, photographers, or anyone else highlighting a product or needing something that does more than just light up your workspace. And while their website covers the regular features well, it misses these hidden bonuses that I'll share with you in this review. Let's look at the standard features. Construction, simple. It's sturdy. It's made out of primarily aluminum alloy and ABS plastic. It weighs in at 5.5 pounds or just under 2.5 kilograms. The base is 9.6 by 5.6 inches, and the lamp itself stands just over 16 inches tall, which offers plenty of room to work underneath of it. Doesn't matter whether you're typing, working on projects, soldering a keyboard, what have you. The base can be positioned well away from the light itself. It has a 5-volt, 2.1 amp USB charging port in the rear, which you can plug in devices. Or, like me, you can use your favorite wireless charger. I use the Tozo. Mini review on that coming up. The lamp is bicolor from an advertised 2600 Kelvin to 6400, which is important and something we will talk about more. And the adjustable brightness, 20% to 100% off this rotary knob, which also works to turn the lamp on and off. With 2 supporting arms and 3 rotating joints, it is, in Taotronics' own words, supremely adjustable. I would call it super bendy. In fact, this thing has got more moves than my ex-wife on New Year's Eve.
I heard that.
Just a moment. Okay, let's see those moves. Besides being infinitely adjustable for your application, the Taotronics 092 lamp has a feature they call forward beam tech. Simply put, this means that you can adjust the beam area of the light without really moving the base at all. It works really well for eliminating glare and reducing eye strain. Included is the built-in auto brightness feature, and it has a CRI of 96, which is really important for accurate color reproduction and is a bonus for a light in this budget if you paint or need to see true colors in a project. Plus, it has a 1-hour timer and a nightlight mode that would be great if you use this as a bedside lamp or need to walk through a dark part of your house. Remember when I said this lamp had a couple of hidden tricks? The first is the ability to extend the lamp all the way up. The first is the ability to stand the lamp all the way up. Extend. The first is the ability... Oh my God. The first is the ability to extend the lamp all the way up so that the light points towards the ceiling or the wall. I have found this useful on many occasions where indirect light for a room was needed. In addition to that, it can be used as a face light for streamers and anyone on camera that does not have a more dedicated light source. With the bicolor ability, you have the option of creating a very warm light, which is complementary to most people. Much better than standard lighting. And perhaps my favorite feature though, is the top-down ability for people to do product photography with a built-in light source. There are thousands of successful YouTube channels that use nothing more than their phone. I do a lot of mechanical keyboard work, and I was pleasantly surprised when I found out that if adjusted properly, I could take my phone and just balance it. Even if I put on a moment, case, and lens on my heavier iPhone, it works just fine if you're adjusting correctly. If you did sound tests for mechanical keyboards, the phone's mic is close enough to your face to pick up both you and the keyboard itself. If you reviewed toys, pocket knives, or other small items, just like this glorious old mouse that we're going to be giving away soon, brand new, unopened, more on that later. You could have a complete studio in the palm of your hand, and few would notice that you didn't have a fancy top-down mounting system that costs much more. I have a video planned where I rebuild a drop alt for a friend, and I will most likely use this hidden feature and the phone to do most of the work. This terrific lamp is priced at $69.99 on the company website, but recently was offered on Amazon for $49.99 for Prime members, which is an incredibly good deal considering everything it can do. It's clean, simple design, and offers a lot more than I had originally thought, and I recommend it. If you enjoy this review and like tools, gadgets, gear, also if you like tech-related giveaways on Twitch, hit the sub button, turn on the notifications, and we will see you soon. And remember, be good to yourselves.